Children, now we are going to deal the book back questions of lesson number 11. So, the first question is, identify the product formed when 1-methoxypropane is heated with excess HI. Name the mechanism involved in the reaction. So, 1-methoxypropane. This is methoxypropane. Prop means 3 carbon atoms. Meth means 1 carbon atom. Methoxypropane. Heated with excess HI. First, 1 mole of HI giving HI. The bond breaks here. I added this side. H added this side. Product is CH3I methyl iodide plus CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Propan 1-ol or propyl alcohol. Now excess HI, so this propyl alcohol CH3, CH2, CH2, OH once more treated with HI forming HOH, removed as water molecule. I added there, so remaining product CH3, CH2, CH2I, propyl iodide. Propyl iodide, it follows SN2 mechanism. Question it is asked, name the mechanism followed. SN2 mechanism is followed in this reaction. This is the answer for the first question. Second question, draw the major product formed when 1-ethoxyprop-1-ene is heated with 1 equivalent of HI. Ethoxypropene. C2H5O, propene, CH double bond, CH3. Propene, ENE means double bond. Also ethoxypropene when heated with 1 equivalent of HI plus HI. The bond breaks here, I added here, H added here. Product is C2H5I ethyl iodide plus CH2 double bond CH2OH. Allyl alcohol formed from here. CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH. Third question, suggest a suitable reagent to prepare secondary alcohol with identical group using Grignard reagent. Prepare secondary alcohol with identical group. Secondary alcohol with identical group is propan 2-ol or isopropyl alcohol. Formula CH3 CH3 OH. Propan 2-ol or isopropyl alcohol. So how will you prepare this? Secondary alcohol means carbon atom with a functional group attached to 2 more carbon atom. That is called secondary alcohol. Your question asked secondary alcohol with identical group. So, how will you prepare? Take acetaldehyde CH3CHO, CH3CHO treated with methyl magnesium iodide in the presence of dry ether giving CH3CH CH, then here CH3, this CH3, O, MgI is added this side. Now this on acid hydrolysis, the bond breaks, H added here, OH added here. So the product what we are getting is CH3, C, CH3, CH, OH. Isopropyl alcohol plus MgIOH. Answer for the third question. Fourth question. What is the major product obtained when 2 moles of ethyl magnesium bromide treated with methyl benzoate followed by acid hydrolysis? So here methyl benzoate C6H5COOCH3. This is methyl benzoate treated with ethyl magnesium bromide C2H5MgBr giving C6H5CO, then C2H5 is added here, C2H5 plus remaining MgBr, this OCH3 joins here. We are getting a ketone. Now this ketone, second step, C6H5CO, C2H5, this ketone. Once more, because the question has 2 moles of ethyl magnesium bromide, 1 mole, the other mole, C2H5MgBr giving C6H5C, here one C2H5, there one C2H5, here OH plus MgBr, another OH. Tertiary alcohol is got. Tertiary alcohol. Now fifth question. Predict the major product when 2-methylbutene converted into an alcohol by the following method. 2-methylbutene. 2-methylbutene. How will you write 2-methyl-butene? Carbon atom. 2-methyl-butene. 1 plus 3, 4. Carbon, 2 bonds, 1 3 bond, 1 H. 2-methyl-bute means 4 carbon atom. And 2E means second carbon having a double bond. This is 2-methylbutene. First one, acid catalyst hydration. Hydration means addition of water in the presence of an acid. So, where it follows Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule means the negative part added to the carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atom. So, OH, this carbon having less number of hydrogen. So, OH added here, H added this side. So, the product is CH3, C, CH3, OH, hydrogen added CH2, CH3 according to Markovnikov addition. We are getting this alcohol. Now next, hydroboration. Hydroboration means follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Same 2-methylbutene, same compound you write. C, CH3 double bond, CH, CH3 hydrolysis in the presence of hydroboration means diborane B2H6, the presence of diborane. Anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule means here H added, here OH added. Markovnikov means OH. Now anti-Markovnikov means HOH. So what is the product? CH3, CH, CH3, COH, CH3. This is anti-Markovnikov rule. Next, third one, hydroxylation using Bayes reagent. Hydroxylation means addition of OH. Using Bayes reagent means alkaline potassium permanganate. So, same 2-methylbutene, CH3C, CH3, double bond CH, CH3 in the presence of Bayes reagent, that is alkaline potassium permanganate, oxidation plus water. Here 2 hydrogen, 2O, so OH added, CH3, COH, CH3, single bond CHOH, CH3, hydroxylation, addition of a Bayes reagent.